Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So finally, there is a good news to all the students who have written Eamcet 2020 examination. The result dates of Eamcet 2020 had been confirmed by the AP government. So in this video, we will be discussing in detail. So before starting with the video, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. The Andhra Pradesh Education Minister Adimula Suresh said that they will be releasing APMCET 2020 results on October 6th or October 7th. He also mentioned that for engineering stream, total 1,85,946 students were registered. Out of them, 1,56,899 were present. And for agriculture and medical stream, 87,652 were registered. Out of them, 75,834 were present for the examination. So the results of APMCET 2020 examination will be available on October 6th or October 7th. So if there will be any update regarding the APMCET 2020 results, I will be updating on this channel. Stay tuned here for latest updates. So that's all for this video. Make sure to share this informative video with your friends and family members, and make sure to join my WhatsApp group. The link is available in the description. Thanks for watching.